channel. Thanks so much for tuning back in for another video. So as you can see by the thumbnail and the title of this video, I am going to be doing another skincare video. I did not anticipate on doing another skincare video because I just did one not long ago, but the company Duvolle reached out to me. They were nice enough to reach out to me and send me their skincare system, their Radiance Spin-Care system to try and to demo for you guys. So I did graciously accept the offer to try their skincare system. So I will be sharing with you my thoughts and opinion on theirs. This video is just really going to be the importance of skincare and why using your hands is trash and in my opinion why you should be using a Spin-Care brush system. So before I get into talking about the Duvolle Spin-Care system, let me just tell you why Spin-Care brushes in general are way better than your hands. This is something I personally think everybody should have if you are serious about your skincare, if you care about your skincare, if it's something that you are invested in every day and taking care of your skin, then this is a video you definitely want to watch in full. So I did take down some notes because I have a bad memory and I can't remember every single thing. So I have my little notebook here, so if you see me looking down, it's because I had to jot down things that I want to say, that I want to get across to you guys. So just in general, the Spin-Care brushes give you an overall deep pore unclogging cleanse. It buffs away... I'm never going to get this video done. It also buffs away the dead, dry skin, leaving your skin with a much smoother, softer, even complexion. So after using the Spin-Care brushes for several weeks, I have noticed a huge significant difference in the texture of my skin. My skin is a lot smoother, it's a lot evened out, my pores are minimized. It doesn't look like I have these rough patches along my skin. It doesn't look as blotchy. Like literally after using the Spin-Care brush, I did not realize just how much dirt and makeup was still in my pores. So when you use your hands, all you're doing is just rubbing across the surface of your face. You're really just pushing the dirt and the makeup back into your pores and just compacting your pores even more. But you didn't realize that. So with the Spin-Care brush, it just gets deep into your pores and it starts to sweep out and pull out all of the dirt and all the impurities and the makeup and all those things that are impacted into your pores. So that way your skin can actually breathe, and it also makes applying your skincare treatments, your moisturizers, it actually makes it more absorbent and gets into your skin better for better results. What you'll also notice is if you have rough skin, if you have uneven skin, when you put your makeup on, your makeup kind of goes on flawlessly and effortlessly because your skin is so smooth, it's so even, your pores are minimized. Before using the Spin-Care brush, before I would apply my makeup, I could see my pores. They were like this big, they're like craters. And I felt like I had to really use a lot of concealer and just kind of pack it in, like almost kind of like you're filling a pothole. But in turn, that was really causing more breakouts because I had so much makeup impacted into my pores, into my skin, that it wasn't able to breathe, and it just created more of a breakout. So my skin is not 100% perfect. I do have a little ways to go, but I have seen just over the last couple of weeks a significant difference in the texture and tone of my skin. Okay, so let's talk about this device that Duvolle sent me. Again, this is the Duvolle Radiance Spin-Care system. Okay, so I've been using this brush now for a little over a week, and clearly I've taken everything out of the box, and I have it in this little bag here. Unfortunately, it did not come in a protective case like the last one did, so I had to find something to keep my brush heads in, to keep them clean, just keep them out of the way of getting damaged and the handle from getting damaged. So I was just a tad disappointed in that because I was expecting it to be in a closed case so that way I can tuck it away, store it away when I'm not using it, but I had to find, again, something to put it in. So this is the brush up close. It does have a non-slip grip, which I do like, so it doesn't slip out of my hand as I'm using the device on my face. These are the interchangeable brush head attachments that comes with it. It comes with the body brush, which is great for your chest and your back. If you have sensitive skin, this is perfect because it is very cleansing, but it's gentle at the same time on your back and across your chest. You have your pumice stone for your knees, feet, and elbows, your daily gentle cleansing brush, your exfoliation brush head, and just a word of caution on the exfoliation brush. Do not underestimate this exfoliation brush because even though it's small and it doesn't look like it does much, it does. If you cleanse your face with this exfoliating brush for too long, you will get strawberry burn on your cheeks. I learned the hard way. So you're supposed to cleanse your face with any of these brushes from 30 to 60 seconds. And I used the exfoliation brush because I had a lot of dead skin and flaky skin on my face. So I ended up using this brush a little longer than I was supposed to, not thinking it was really doing anything until after I washed the cleanser off of my face and noticed that my cheeks were very rosy red, but it went from rosy red to like a burning rosy red. And then I had more peeling because I damaged my skin. Even though it is soft and gentle, it will mess your skin up if you use it for too long. So don't go past really 30 seconds using this exfoliator. So this brush retails at $95 regular price, but most of the skincare brushes come with a discount, so it's very rare that you're going to pay the full price for it. So I do have a code if you would like to purchase this brush that'll give you 70% off. So the code is on the screen, just Janine. That's again going to give you 70% off of your purchase. Unlike the previous brush I had, this one only has one speed, but it's a fast speed, so I have no complaints. So I really don't care that it has one speed because I was actually using the faster speed with the other one as well. That's the one I prefer because I just feel like it just gets the job done a lot faster. I also like that it has this little hole at the top, so that way I can, I guess, run a string through it or some type of rope and I can just hang it up to allow the brush head to dry. To be quite honest, ever since I got this brush, I haven't really used the one from Vanity Planet. I think I maybe used it one time, and I bought the one with my own money from Vanity Planet. But I've been using this one more. Like every day, this is the brush that I reach for over the one from Vanity Planet. And it's not to say the one from Vanity Planet is garbage, but this one just seems to just do the job a little bit better, in my opinion. I love the way that the brush heads, one, are smaller. I don't feel like it's flinging the product around as bad as the one from the other company. So I just like it better. I don't know what it is about it, but I just like it better. And again, this video is not sponsored. They did not pay me to say anything. Like, this is my own opinion. If you plan on investing in one of these, you will not regret it. So just overall, in my personal opinion, I love the Duvolle Radiance Spin-Care system. It's one I have been using consistently ever since the first day that I got it, and it will forever stay in my skincare stash. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and I hope you understand the importance of why these skincare systems are so much better over using your regular hands, because this is not doing anything. Trust me, it's just rubbing the dirt and the grime back into your pores and just packing it back into your pores. So if you care anything about your skin, please invest in one of these skincare brushes. I recommend Duvolle. So if you enjoyed the video, guys, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up because it does help my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys. I can get fly, fly, fly.